Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share. Thank you.
Hi YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to another crafty video. I am here to share with you guys today my project for Crack the Vault. This is a year-long collaboration that is hosted by Jamie, Poetspice here on YouTube. We come on every third Friday at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time and 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we share with you projects that we create using products in our stash that we haven't used in 6 months or more, or if we want to pull out some new goodies from our crafty stash and use it. If you want to play along in this collaboration, you can use the hashtag CrackTheVault2026. I am doing a 3-for-1 today, you guys. So I wasn't able to get a project out for my Christmas All Year collaboration that I host. So I am sharing a Christmas themed project, and also I'm hosting a pre-made to handmade collaboration as well. That's a collaboration where you take items that are pre-made in your stash and you create something fun from it. So you guys, life has been lifing. I am trying to catch up. So that's why I am doing a 3-for-1 today in order to try to get things caught up. All right, you guys. So before I share my project with you, I'm going to share with you the products that I use. I pulled out a die from my stash that I had not played with. So this is a new product. I don't know which release this die set was from, but I've had it in my stash and had not played with it. And this is the 3D envelope box A2 cards and envelopes. And this is by Scrap Diva Designs. And here is her card right here. You guys can check out her website. I'm sure all of you are familiar with Scrap Diva Designs. There's also a hashtag that you can search. Hashtag Scrap Diva Designs if you want some inspiration. And then I use this gift bag. So this is in response to my pre-made to handmade collaboration. So I took this pre-made gift bag and I use this as my paper for my project. This is so cute, you guys. Check this out. I believe I picked this up from Home Goods / TJ Maxx. The store I go to, they are combined. And also, here is the gift tag that came off of this bag. So I also used the gift tag as well. So let me share with you how my project turned out. And this is how my project turned out. You guys, look how cute this is. Oh my goodness, right? That gift bag paper is so fun and cute. It's almost like vintagey. You can see right here, I utilized that gift tag from the gift bag, this image of this cute Santa. This bow right here came from the die set, so I decided to use that as well. And let me share with you how everything looks. It is so stinking cute. I love how it turned out. And so the top comes off here, and you can see inside there is a lot of space for goodies. And so let me put the top back on. So you don't necessarily have to put cards in here. You can put anything in here you like. So that's what I like about this die set. You don't have to just conform it to a card box. You can just put some goodies in there and gift this to someone for Christmas. Isn't that cute, you guys? I love how it turned out. And one of the good things I love about it, Erica has a tutorial. It was so easy to follow, quick. I love quick tutorials, okay? I love to refer to a tutorial that is straight to the point. And I love her tutorial because it was quick and easy to follow. So that's what I love about it. I will link her tutorial below if you have this die set and you haven't played with it yet and you want a tutorial on how to put it together. That's what I have for you guys today. Make sure you check out the other ladies. If you like what I've created, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and support me. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram at Scrappassion01. Please join me over there as well. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion.